Look at the light. Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. We got a happy mail. I guess I won the Mystery Yarn Challenge for March for, I guess there was a work in progress category, and it has arrived from, so I made that. The Mystery Yarn Challenge is hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef, and this prize is from Lori. So I'm excited. So let's see what we got here. Not to cut any of that. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so cute. Don't let my grandkids see this. Oh my god, that is so cute. Ah! There we are. Oh, nope. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. So yeah, this is from Lori, and it's my Mystery Yarn Challenge prize. Alright, so this looks like yarn I've never had before. Feels really, really soft. Oh, I've had yarn from, it's from Plymouth Yarn Company, so I've had yarn from there. So this is called Soft Serve. It was a color number of 803. So 68 those. So it looks like I might have. I think they're all the soft serve from the Plymouth Yarn Company. Let's see what else we got here. Made in Turkey. Machine wash gentle, tumble dry low. Okay, I can't find anything else. You know how many yards, etc., etc. Other than the color and dye lot. Soft. Yeah, it's all. I think it's all this soft serve. Color 807. Let's see what that is. So it looks like it's a 3 weight, maybe 2 to 3 weight. Let's see, I think this one, yep, this one's like that color. Color 807. This is color 803. Color 807. Oh, here's another 803 color. Oh, another 807 color. Let's see. Oh, 803, 807. So I got, it looks like 1, 2, 3 of the blue ones, 4 blue ones. Looks like I got 3 of these blue ones and 4 of these pinkish green ones. So yeah, it's nice and soft. But yeah, I've had yarns from Plymouth Yarn Company before, so I know that they're good yarn. So thank you, Lori, for my prize. I'm excited. I'm not sure I'm going to do with these yet, but they'll be well loved in my stash. So thank you, Lori, for sending this out and hosting the Mystery Yarn Challenge every month. So okay, let's see if I can get these all in one shot. Here we are. Okay. All right. If you did like this video, please get a like. I want to see more content like this. Please subscribe to my channel. Well, thank you always for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.